Here's a step-by-step of how we clean a path or a driveway like this. Now what we've just done to start with is we've put a chemical down, and that will kill off any of the algae and the mould, any living organisms that are sitting on it, the stuff that makes it slip. Also, at the end of the service too, put a second lot down just to make sure we completely killed all the root and all, and make sure that nothing grows back while we're gone. So that usually gives you about protection for at least 12 months or so. Now, here's for the most satisfying part, washing it all off and cleaning it up. So much better. And there was even green algae spots which you couldn't see underneath all that dirt, and that would have just got way more slippery because that would have spread over winter. So much better.